Hey guys, so I got the 3.0 Plus from the company so that I could share with you the differences and similarities between these two Manscapes. So the Manscaped 3.0 we purchased in 2020 and we still use it to this day. However, I really like the fact that they came with two additional accessories rather than the single accessory that we received when we originally purchased it. Secondly, the upgrade is that the charging port is actually going to be a lot easier with the Plus because it just uses a standard C as compared to having to carry this thing around all the time. This has a 90-minute charge time as compared to a 60-minute charge time, but honestly, I don't think you're going to be shaving your body for 60 minutes, so or even 90 minutes, so I really don't feel like that's much of a deal breaker for me. The grip on this Plus is actually a lot easier to manage rather than the shiny plastic that came on the original 3.0. When this is wet, this tends to kind of slip out of your hand a little bit as compared to this rubber. It doesn't really slip out of your hand as much. The next thing is that it's still super easy to clean. Both of them will just go ahead and pop off for you to be able to clean the blades. That you have there. Now, they kept the built-in LED light, especially if you have low light showers, which we do. We do not have a light in our shower. So the LED light seems to come in very handy for us. The last thing that I want to show you is actually the battery light that they have on the bottom. Although both of them still have a battery light, I really like the fact that this one here will actually indicate by the two lines when your battery is actually going low versus just a light that illuminates completely. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a great day.